Hello my friends, welcome to Internet Electronic channel. Uncle Misha is here and today we have something in the bag. So this something is someone just gave me and they say, okay, well, here's a bunch of calculators, or two to be precise, and please take a look if you can have any use out of them because we don't need them. So I decided to take a look, and let's take a look together actually. And what I see straight out of here, one of them is Texas Instrument and another is Casio. And as you see, both of them comes with some kind of user manuals. I have no idea what kind of calculators are those, never actually opened them, and together we now figure out what are those. So let's start from this Casio calculator. And it has some kind of user manual and looks like it's extensive. And what it is FX82 solar and FX260 solar. Not sure which one of this particular one, and it is, does it say made in China? It's made in China. The reason I'm actually respecting calculators now, when you have your cell phone, probably can run way more than any calculators right here, because this thing is always there, always powered. And for example, if you're using some calculators, it takes some time to start, you have to be sure, you have to have your phone handy and things like that. Having the calculator right on your bench is very useful because you can just grab it, calculate your stuff and throw it back to the side. So I always have this calculator on my bench. This is Casio FX300W, and that's pretty decent one, I think. I got it some long time ago and I still use it, and I probably never actually changed the battery since I got it. I think I got it like for $2. I don't even remember where from. So this is what I have handy. So this one looks like gonna be smaller cousin of this guy. Yeah, that's not even, yeah, still there. Okay, so let's take a look. It is 260 solar and it works, and it is working. As you see, it's powered. So that's yeah, all buttons works, and it looks like it's a scientific rather than some sort of very dusty though. Yeah, rather than some sort of for financial or mortgage calculator, or you name it, right? This one looks like scientific because it has all those sums and radians and things like that, which is really cool. Not sure if this particular one has the ability to program it. Not really familiar, but looks like it's using the regular calculation. Like, for example, if you want to do so it's just simple notation. Rather this one has a little bit different notation, so you have to do like sinus 90 equal. That's completely different, and I like this way more. This one is a bit simpler, but sometimes simpler is better. Yeah, depends. Different notation. I constantly forgot the name of way of writing your formulas this way. Cool. So this is little this little calculator can be handy. So I'll keep it around. It's cool. So let's take a look. What the heck is this? It's clearly Texas Instrument, and clearly it's not small, but not as big as some other TI jobbies. Okay, let's put this to the side. How do you open this thing even? What? Ah, it's like this. Business analyst. So this is garbage for me, unfortunately. It has some mathematical functions, but this one is mostly for the for those financial people who like to do like payments per year, standard anyway, loan amounts and things like that. So this one I'm not gonna have any use out of it, because yeah, that's not what I'm doing. It's gonna go back to, I don't know, I'll probably just give it up to someone, maybe give it to Salvage Army or something. Yeah, Salvation Army. So this is not what I'm looking for, so just go straight to the let me take a look at some of the possibilities that this calculator can do. So it can calculate some percentages, some loans, some things like that. Let me find a good example. Reading the display. They have some, well, they have some trigonometry here. So like here's sinus, cosinus, tangents. So we have here exponent, we have roots and percentage, 1x. Like it's all right for some basic calculation, but okay, so let's see, like for example, if you want to do time, value of money and amortization worksheet. So here how you do it, number of periods. So you do like, I don't know, what is the N key, N, oh, is it on? No, it's on. And enter number of periods, let's say 18, then interest rate per year, this, and say, let's say 3, then present value PV, do PV, and let's say 100. Then you do payments, you do like 20, future value, and do future value, you do like 200, number of permits per year, number per year, like this PY, I don't know what the heck is this PY. PY is, I guess, second PY, payments per 5, number of compounding periods per year, note is down. I have no idea, equal, no, end of period payments. It's getting boring already. Where is this end? Anyways, done with it. I'm done with this. It's not for me. I hate this. I'm a scientific guy. I don't like this business calculation stuff. It's easy to calculate on your own. So yeah, it is a nice calculator. It's very purpose built. Okay, I like the buttons, but this calculator I like more and value more. So and this one even better. By the way, these layouts, as you notice, is quite a bit similar. Obviously, this has the, much more stuff on the display. So yeah. So they even no, this layout is kind of similar. This is different. This has much more stuff right here. So this is pretty intense calculator. I like it a lot. So I use it not often, but I use it sometimes. This one is probably going to be sitting somewhere on other bench or something like that. Just going to be using it from time to time. And nice, it has nice also quick reference here. That's cool. Probably that quick reference just to remind people how to use that another notation, because it's sort of counterintuitive if you actually get used to like four-banger and stuff. So which this one mostly like operates like, and this a little bit different. So we're still gonna keep the. But nice to have a user manual for this guy, like in paper form, because this I had to like download, find it somewhere. Okay, so guys, that was like super short. Like unboxing of little mysterious package with calculators, and nothing really special. The calculators probably people just throw away these days, but sometimes they can be quite useful, especially if this is nice scientific calculator like this one. I think this is something to have something like that. It's still pretty cool. Some of the TIs I would say even better, but this one is really gonna do the job. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Stay safe and ciao.